Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to day 2 of building my Kajabi website and membership site, which is going to be called the .com Truths membership. So this is a project I'm currently doing, and every day I'm documenting the process of building everything. And I wanted to show you the progress of day 2. So first of all, I also had a few questions that I've been asked in the Facebook group that I'm going to answer at the end of this video. So let me take you through what happened today so you can kind of get an idea of things. So first of all, I actually spent a fair bit of time editing the video for day 1. So if you haven't watched it, it'll be on my YouTube channel and it's on my Facebook page as well, my Facebook business page, the community. So definitely check it out. Otherwise, here is the funnel, the initial funnel that I got set up. So first of all, this is the sales page for the membership, the checkout page, the order bump, which for now I'm doing Tech VIP service. That's the order bump. The thank you page with a calendar, video plus calendar, a Calendly booking appointment, and then a survey. It's not going to be Airtable, but it's going to be a survey page. And then to my Facebook group to write a post. That's kind of my goal. So basically, let me show you what was completed. So I've actually done, I spent like I said, I spent like quite a few hours editing the first video. Then I did those 4 pages, okay? So the first page that was done is this one, which is the actual checkout page for the OG founding member, OG Original Gangster. That's the the title for those that are going to sign up for the membership right off the gate. So this is the checkout page for that, okay? I got to fix a little thing here. And then there is the tech support VIP. So this is for people who are going to need extra tech support and they want me much more hands-on. So I did that. That will be an order bump as well. Then whenever they sign up for either of those, basically they'll go to this page, which is thanks for signing up. And you can see the page looks pretty clean. There's a video, there's a thumbnail, everything is kind of all done. And that's about it. And then here, when they book an appointment, they click and then it goes to my Calendly, okay? Once they book an appointment, because I do a 15-minute onboarding call every time somebody signs up, okay? Really straightforward, name, email, any info they want to share, and text reminder if they want to be reminded of their appointment, okay? Once that is done, they go to the thank you page of the calendar, which is this video, where I thank them for making the appointment, and then I basically explain to them about this survey, okay? So this video, it's a 9-minute video, and I take them through the survey and the different questions and why it's important and stuff like that. So, and I had a question in the Facebook group, which is a really good one, where Miriam asked, this is fantastic, Aran. I love that you're so generous sharing your insights. I really want to see more videos like this one. Just one doubt. Why do you prefer all that platform over Newsendler? Do you have a comparison sheet or a video made by you in your opinion? I know there's a few out there, but I find myself interested by your point of view. So this is a great question. And I want to answer that in a little bit more detail. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the inside of Kajabi. And this is an example of where Kajabi is superior in other ways. So for example, when I have the templates, okay, so there's a question that I'm asking people where I'm saying, templates, I'm looking to share Canva templates for members only use in their business. Instagram post templates, Pinterest post templates, lead magnet templates, things like that. Please tick any if it will be of serious interest to you, okay? So now people will be able to tick any one of these, okay? And I want to show you something. So what will happen is, let's say they are really interested in YouTube assets, okay? Once they tick it, I can actually tag them, and I tag them as YouTube asset templates interest, okay? So I figured, if Facebook is doing their marketing and stuff, based on interests and stuff like that, I figured maybe I'll try something like that as well, because that's how they do it. I mean, they obviously know what they're doing and stuff in terms of marketing and advertising. So basically what it will do is that when somebody tags their interest and they will tick that point in the question as interested in YouTube asset, then I know that person might be interested in my YouTube SEO course. So I could actually promote that to them. Or if I'm uploading a YouTube video to my channel that talks about how to grow a YouTube audience, they will be interested in that. And also, when I actually have YouTube templates, if I decide to sell something like that, I know they will be interested in something like that as well. So all of a sudden, my email marketing strategy is a lot more hyper-targeted to sending people, if I have 10 people who are saying, I'm interested in YouTube asset templates, guess what? If I have a YouTube asset templates created and I send them an email saying, here's the YouTube asset templates you asked about, they will be like, okay, great, I actually want to check it out. I might only have 10 or 15 or 20 people, but they will be super, super highly targeted in someone in terms of that particular aspect. So that is one of the things that, to me, I really love Kajabi, and I think it's a great, great tool because of that. Okay. Once they fill in their survey, I don't even think they go to any page special. It's a really, really straightforward thanks and come to my Facebook group. Okay. And that's about it. So I wanted to share this with you because I think this is a really good question. New Zenler is amazing. Don't get me wrong. There's definitely aspects of New Zenler which is excellent, and for some people, New Zenler is a better choice than Kajabi. However, I want the automations. I want all that extra stuff. Okay. There's also so many more moving parts here with Kajabi that make it very, very different. So, for example, when somebody signs up for the monthly subscription, then I have an order bump right here, which is the Tech VIP. I can set up different automations. Okay, so I can send them a trigger or one email automation right here. I can tag them when they cancel, so I know this was a churn, i.e., somebody signed up and then they canceled. So things along these lines. Okay, so there you go. That's just a choice factor that I've made because of it, and yeah. So there we go. That's what I want to share for today. I think we pretty much covered what was the progress. Again, if you haven't watched the video, it's on my Facebook group. This is the video, and it's about an 8 minutes video explaining a little bit about what I'm doing and stuff like that. Today's target, I mean, I want to finish the funnel. So really, I think today will be heavily invested in actually finishing the sales page, where I will actually explain all the content. And then I got to confront the members area. Okay. Now the members area, I'm in no rush to doing it because I also have right here, I have all the content that I'm creating for the members area. And that content, as you can see, it started, like my VA already started on the first video, and I got to create more videos as well. I've already shown this in the previous session, but I've got all these videos to create for the members area as well. So lots of work to do. Hope you got a bit of value from this. If there's other features in Kajabi you really want me to kind of delve into a little bit more detail, definitely let me know. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks a lot for tuning in for day 2. Again, if you're new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you're watching this on my Facebook group, leave a comment. Wherever you're watching this, leave a comment, okay? So I get your feedback and I can continue to create those videos and educate you along the way. Thanks a lot, and I'll speak to you soon.